Hello everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel and our Back to Basics video series. Today I am going to be sharing our Honeybee Stamps Be Creative Tool Caddy. If I pop on over to honeybeestamps.com and I search for Tool Caddy in the search bar, it's going to pull up our Be Creative Tool Caddy, but also all the things that hold your blending brushes and things like that as well. So if we focus here, there's a great description on exactly, the sizes and shapes and all those things that you can kind of put in the tool caddy, your most used tools. It also gives you a description on how to clean your tool caddy. The caddy measurements are 8 inches long by 1¼ inches tall and then 2 inches wide. And then there's also some great reviews if you like to read reviews on all of your favorite products. If we scroll through, it's going to give you some close-up photos. There's a great close-up of that silicone insert, and then some of our tools inserted inside. And then you can even see the little box that it comes in. Okay, so this is on my desktop and this is my cute little Be Creative tool caddy, and I am just going to show you how you can pull this out so easily. That is that silicone insert, and it kind of spreads apart and you can see that dust particles get in there. I have embossing powder and anti-static powder that gets all over my desk. And you can just take a dry rag, you can take some warm water, anything like that to clean it out and just let it air dry or pat it dry. I'm going to put my Be Creative reverse tweezers in my little tool caddy, my black and white gel pens, my little spatula that I love to pull die cuts off of my sticky mat. I have these great new Be Creative bone folders, which are amazing. They come in 2 sizes. Of course, I have to have my Be Creative tool pick. I use that for everything. And then I have a little stylus that I use to shape florals. And then also, we love our gems. I have to have my little gem picker and then a great pair of scissors as well. Now, these are all my most used tools that I reach for over and over again. I keep it right there within arm's reach, right there on my desk. If you watch our live streams or anything like that, then you've probably had a little peek at my messy desk and my cute little tool caddy. But this will hold all kinds of tools, everything from your glue to your bone folders, as I am showing here, your scissors, your tweezers, even our Honeybee Stamps blending brushes. So this is just a great little caddy to have on your desk, again, to use all of your most loved, most used tools. Thanks for joining me for this short and sweet Back to Basics video. I hope you'll check out the description box. The tool caddy and all of my favorite supplies are listed and linked there, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.